In our program of devotional music, you were listening to bhajans by Chandrasekhar Chakravarti. This is the General Overseas Service of All India Radio. Please stand by for the news.
This is All India Radio. The news read by Sita Hugda. The headlines. Washington has started reaching out other UN Security Council members following President Obama's announcement backing India for a permanent seat in the Council. Prime Minister to voice India's stand for removal of protectionism at the Seoul G20 summit. In Myanmar, the government-backed political party claims landslide victory in the first election held in 20 years. And China and Russia want to further advance their military ties.